स्पीड होनी चाहिए। तो उसमें दो टांगे पूरा यहाँ पीछे से अड़ंगी मारनी है, उनको उठा के पटक देना है, नीचे गिर देना है। यहाँ पर टांगे पूरी लाके उनके कंधे पे से दोनों तरफ से लाके उनको धकेल देना पीछे। जो आम नॉर्मल लोग होते हैं वो देख सकते हैं, कौन कितनी दूर से आ रहा है, कौन उनको अटैक करने वाला है। पर हम तभी अपने आप को डिफेंड कर सकते हैं जब हमें कोई छू लेगा, जब कोई पकड़ेगा, तभी हम डिफेंड कर सकते हैं। स्ट्रेंथ यह देखने का कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कम दिख रही है, स्ट्रेंथ कम है तो आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिल्कुल कर पाएंगे। तो हमारे कराटे में यहाँ पे होते ब्लॉक्स, तो ये होता है ब्लॉक ऊपर ले जानी होती है बाजू, और उससे क्या होगा उनका वो रुक जाएगा, जो भी वेपन है वो रुक जाएगा। तो उसके बाद पर हाथ में उनकी किक मार सकते हैं आप ऐसे, तो इससे क्या होगा उनका बैलेंस बिगड़ जाएगा, वेपन गिर सकता है और आपको टाइम मिल जाएगा कि आप भाग सकें।
And I underwent around 6 surgeries by the age of 6. So they could save just 20% vision in my left eye, and I have no vision left in my right eye. My sister and I were twins. We are twins, so we are in the same class. So by class 8, I used to go to school in which my mother was teacher. Since my sister Kavya was with me, so she used to assist me throughout, and it was a normal school. So I believe that it helped me, nurture my personality and as a whole. So till 8th class, I was giving all the exams verbally. Teachers used to ask me all the chapters and all the exams verbally, and I used to pass and then get, graded to the next class. So, but in class 8th, they said ki, we don't know how to deal with such a student. So they told me to leave. In class 8th, I was not, I was not aware of anything, and the facilities were not much. And since I live in a small city, there have never been much, about disability and accessibility and everything. So it came like a shock to me, and I was thinking ki, my sister, my brother, my friends are going to school. Why can't I? If I won't do anything for me, then nobody is going to do anything for me. So since my childhood, when my mobility has not been good since my childhood, because I used to roam around with my sister, my parents, and being visually impaired family and people are also more protective about you. Being a woman, it gets even more difficult sometimes. Nobody can be with me always, so I have to ensure that if anybody comes to me, if I'm stuck in any unfortunate situation, I could cope up with this. So karate has been like a need also, or necessity also, or a passion also. So after that, I have been working on my strength, skills at home. Every day I do workout.
आपके कंधों पे हाथ रख देता है, तो उसमें क्या करना चाहिए, वो जितना भी हैवी हो, वो अगर कंधों पे हाथ रखता है, आपको हाथ जैसे नमस्ते करते हैं, वो पूरे घाट बना के बीच में ले जाके पूरा ऊपर जाके ऐसे जोर की लेफ्ट टू राइट करना है दोनों तरफ। तो उससे क्या होगा, उनकी ग्रिप चली जाएगी, उसके बाद आपको गोटा उनके पेट में मारना है और फिर आप भाग सकते हैं। वेरी गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल एंड हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं दिव्या शर्मा और ये है आपका अपना शो वोकैबुलरी रोज।
I don't feel shy in, spreading the word, because sometimes people don't talk about their disabilities. They hush us, this is not right. People think that we can just do that knitting or, music and all. That is not the truth. We can be in any line. When I got 80% marks in 10th, my neighbor told me that okay, shukar hai, pass to hui. Thank God she at least passed. So this is the mentality of the society. I am working on the mindsets now. Those techniques further are something that my coach will teach whenever I'll get my next coach. But till then, I can practice what I have learned so far, and I can just work on my strength, because strength is something that will always be needed.